Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. By default, Vivaldi opens PDF files directly in the browser using its built-in PDF viewer. But if you want PDF files to download automatically and open in Adobe Acrobat Reader or any other PDF application, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how to disable the PDF viewer in Vivaldi Browser on Windows 11 and Windows 10 using the settings search option, which is the easiest method. So let's get started. First open Vivaldi Browser, then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner and select settings. In the search box, type PDF. After that, under plugin section, uncheck this one option that says enable internal PDF viewer. That's all. After that, whenever you will click any PDF link, it will download automatically instead of opening in the Vivaldi browser. Bye.